everybody, it's Sarah from CreativeSarah.com and Creative Sarah PG on Facebook and on YouTube. So today I want to show off our new box frame. First of all, our box frame comes with a whitewashed inside and a dark finish around the edge and even on the back. So you can do your design on the back and it hangs really nicely on the wall. And you could make this double-sided, or you can do this inside the box, and I'm going to show you both ways. So first, we're going to put this inside our box like so. And just kind of push it down with your hand to make sure there aren't any bubbles. Okay, we're going to use a nice chocolate. So this is our new tool, and I use this to stir. So this is a multi-purpose tool, and you can use it to stir your chalk, obviously. You can also use this as a squeegee to get into little tiny parts. And then this hook side, you can also use that to clean around your chalk container here. I'm just going to go ahead and start with our new small squeegee. It has been redesigned, redesigned. Oh, so good. They made it taller so that it gives you a bigger handle, like more space. And then also it is a little bit sturdier than our previous one. Okay. Once you have this on nice and smooth, all your excess is going to go back into the container, just like so. Now I'm using our chocolate, and you definitely could use a tool to get in here, but I was able to do it with my fingers. This is one of our brand new transfers, and I just love it. It says, "Have courage to be kind." Now this is gorgeous. Do you love that? I love the monotone look. Now I'm just going to clean this off, and then we're going to do it on the back. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the back, because this is really an awesome transfer. And we're going to look, then you'll be able to see front and back. What do you like the most? I'm just cleaning it off. And then we'll dry it. And we'll wipe this with a wipe real quick. This is the quick way when you need to reuse a transfer. This is the quick way to do it. It just works so much nicer than getting it soaking wet. Okay, so I'm going to lay this back down on my mat, wipe it off, get all that excess off. And then I just do this. I'm going to flip this over so you guys can see. And of course, while this is drying, I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to choose the color to put on the back. And I'm going to take a nice light, this is called sand. And I'm going to grab a different squeegee, and I don't have to wash that off. I ordered a bunch more of those so that I can have a few for different colors. Okay, so my sand is nice and smooth. I'm going to throw this into my water. And I will close that up for now. Get that out of the way. Okay, so we have our sand. This is nice and dry and sticky. So we'll get that onto our board. Just trying to kind of center it. And now when you do front and back, you probably aren't going to do the same design. However, I am doing the same design because I just want to show you. Like you could do a fall and a winter design, or a spring design and a fall design, and you can change it out, you know, as you go, or flip it around. However you want to do it. Up to you. So once you get this all on here smooth, we will peel and reveal. And I tell you what, we talked about this last week, but there is no better feeling than when you peel this off to reveal the design. It is so awesome. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to throw this right into my water. Have courage and be kind. So here we have a nice fall looking design on the back. And then we have a fun, kind of a different, it just gives it a different effect. Like it's a little more wintry, I think. So here you have our awesome front and back designs. Make sure you tune in next time for my fun with confetti video. So have a great day, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye.